Hello and welcome back. I know you worked hard during Reader's Workshop. That was a little bit longer read than we normally do. But for phonics today, we're going to read just a little bit more. But I promise you it's an inspiring story. It practices the words that we've been using in your automaticity. And we get to see a little bit about a strong woman. All right, so we're going to focus in on an accountable text. It's called Breakfast First, and it's on page 24 in your mentor text. Okay, so the book you have right on hand. So if you want to pause the video and go and grab that, feel free to do that. Right, but your job is to read this short story, either aloud or in your head, okay, whichever way you prefer. And then at the bottom, in the space underneath the article, you're going to answer this question. Why did Claudia's grandmother take her out to breakfast? Find sentences to support your answer. All right, so your answer will be written right at the bottom of your paper here. And you're going to write in a complete sentence. And you're going to give evidence that supports your answer. All right, as always, reach out if you have questions.